So one, I want to apologize for any like stains you may see on my hand throughout this video. I was doing an arts and craft project and the paint that I was using does not want to come off my hand, so I apologize for that in advance. Two, the music that you're going to be hearing in the background of this video is some music that I've been waiting to use for a very long time because it has a very wicked feel to it. I didn't think I could use it for like other parts of the year, but for this kit it goes with the theme, so I hope you guys appreciate the music choice. And finally, this is the Something Wicked kit from Whimsical Plans, one of my favorite shops on Etsy if you didn't know already. And this is just totally perfect for Halloween week and for the beginning of NaNoWriMo, because NaNoWriMo could be like a pain in the butt with all the word counts that you had to do, so I think this is a good kit to use for this week. So without further ado, let's get planning.
In her heart there's a hole, there's a black mark on her soul. In her hands is my heart, and she won't let go till it's scarred. Try to breathe but I can't, cause the air she feeds me is damned. Got a touch like a thorn, cause the girl she's hiding horns. She got blood cold as ice and a heart made of stone, but she keeps me alive. She's the beast in my bones. She gets everything she wants when she gets me alone, like it's nothing. She got two little horns and they give me a little bit. Ice and a heart made of stone, but she keeps me alive. She's the beast in my bones. She gets everything she wants when she gets me alone, like it's nothing. She got two little horns and they give me a little bit. Like a devil pointed at me, and there's nowhere to run from the fire she breathes. She got horns like a devil pointed at me, and there's nowhere to run from the fire she breathes. She got horns like a devil pointed at me, and there's nowhere to run from the fire she breathes. Horns like a devil pointed at me. She got two little horns and they give me a little bit.
Okay, so I'm currently freaking out because of how amazing this kit looks. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. The full boxes and all the witchy Halloween stuff are so beautiful. The clip art for this kit is amazing. If you have not checked out Whimsical Plans shop after how long of watching my YouTube channel, you should totally check it out by this point because she never fails to disappoint by the layout of her kits. And I was actually able to bring in this washi that I picked up at Joann's yesterday, which is like a starry glittery black and gold washi, and I think it worked perfectly with this kit. You can see I used it a lot throughout this kit, and I think it just looked gorgeous with this kit. And then I did this like bloody font on the side, even had some golden dots around it. Happy Halloween, everyone. And I think that looks so cool. I think it turned out amazing. Tell me what you guys think and comment down below. Honestly, I don't think any other Halloween kit that I could have used for this week would compare. This is just beautiful, and just, I'm at a loss for words. It's great. It's really great. And I think it's a great way to wrap up these Halloween-y kits for this month. Give this video a like if you agree, but it's been a great like magical month this month. So I think this is a great kit to end it off with. Tell me what you think and comment down below. And I just want to say thank you to iGemini for commenting in some of my last videos. It really meant a lot that you commented and that you like certain things I do in the spread. I did some more dots at the top for you this week just because. And I think it tied in nice with this kit. But if you want to be shout out in next week's video, don't forget to comment down below in this one and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we're going to be moving on from magical October kits to full-on fall November kits with this Ferris farmhouse kit from Whimsical Plans, of course. And so it's just like a apple orchard farmy feel, and I think this is like a great way to start off the fall kits because it's finally starting to feel like fall here in Maryland, but it's also starting to feel like winter somewhat. I actually saw like a post on Facebook that accurately describes Maryland, like fall / winter in Maryland. It was like Maryland like asking fall, hey, where you at? And then it was just like fall saying, yo, me and winter are about to pull up right now. And it's so accurate because it's starting to feel like fall, but then it's quickly turning into winter. So that's how it feels over here, and I think this is a good kit to mark that fall feeling with. I may even get like apple cider this week. We don't know. Most likely not happen. But if you do want to see when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And if you're interested in some of my writer content, I am posting a lot of NaNoWriMo content soon. Hopefully, pray for me that I actually get the NaNoWriMo content edited in time. And also, if you want to see the sneak peeks for the other fall kits I have coming up, don't forget to check my November sneak peek video that I have on this channel. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!